Hi everybody, and hi teacher. I hope you're really well. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the vowels and diphthong according to EPA alphabet. I'm gonna try to do my best. For this activity, I want to make some cards as this. This card, as you can see. These are the vowels and these are the diphthongs. And I'm gonna try the sound of each vowel. I'm gonna give you an example, obviously. This is the first E. Look at the articulation of my mouth. I'm gonna make some recommendation for this if you wanna get a good pronunciation of the sounds. Yeah, you have to try. You move your face. You have to relax your muscles. Yeah, of your face, and you have to try to do your best. For example, for this E. An example in a word, cheap. As you can see my mouth, the articulation and the pronunciation of the example in a word is the same. Eat, sheep. Eat, sheep. Okay? The second. Eat. And an example, sheep. Okay? The other, oh. An example, food, good, yeah. For this, oh. An example, should. For this, the articulation is eh. And there are a lot of examples for this articulation: bed, zen, yeah. For this, L. An example in a word could be teacher. And for this articulation, you have to extend the word. For example, eat. And in a word for this, a bird, like a bird, okay? Or include, you can use another example, for example, beer, like a beer. And for this, oh. And an example in a word could be a door, floor, yeah. You can use that example, and you can see that the articulation used is the same. Sorry, this is for this. And for this, air. And in a good example, it could be cat, or some cat is good. Up. And the best example for this is up. You know, up, lamp. You can use it. And for this, R. You have to test the articulation if you want to make a good pronunciation for this. An example could be far, star. And the last for the vowels, O. It's like a, but it's a O, okay? A correct example could be on. For example, in a sentence, I'm gonna swing on the pole. You can see on. Okay, now we finish with the vowels, and now we take play for the diphthongs. Okay, the diphthongs for me are really easy too. You don't have to complicate in the pronunciation. You don't have to complicate in your good articulation. You don't have to relax your face. Okay, the muscle of your face. And for this, yeah. And in a good example, ear. You know, ear. And another example could be here. And another here. Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same word when you say ear or when you say here or when you say here. Okay, you have to differentiate it because the pronunciation change of the way your articulation mouth change too. And with this, air. And a good example, or according with this, the song could be careful. For this, oa. And in a good example for this in the word could be your, or not. Yeah, it's good. Or sure. And for this, out. And in a good example for this could be now, when you say now, or when you say sounds, yeah. And for this, oh. And in a good example for this could be caught, or could be low. Look the articulation, oh. And the example, low. As you can see, the articulation is the same. It's always the same. Because if you change the articulation, change the word too. Now this, A. In a good example for this could be say, stay, train, rain. Yeah? Now for this, I. And it's simple. It's really simple, and the sample is really easy to understand. For example, buy, cry, okay? And now this, oi. And a good example could be point, could be stoint, yeah? I have finished with the pronunciation of the sound of the vowels and the diphthong, and I hope that you could understand me and everything when I try to do my best. And I hope that for the next video I'm gonna try to be better in this pronunciation. It's really difficult understand the articulation of the mouth because you can add the therapy and you can see that it's almost the same, but it's not the same because the articulation of the mouth of your mouth change with each vowel or each diphthong. And if you want to make a good pronunciation with it, you have to pay really attention to the sound, and you have to stay really alert with your ear. Yeah, your listening have to be really good, and your face have to be really relaxed if you want to make a good pronunciation when you are trying to speak in this new language. Okay, bye, and hope that you enjoy with my video and understand everything. Bye, see you soon.